I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So let's check the energy for today if this is the story of your life. No? So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. No? Take what's only yours. And I want you to know that this is also a timeless reading. So kung kailan po ninyo ito mapanood. So this message is meant to find you. Fears, intuition, and wow, responsibilities. So for a few numbers of you, baka meron tayong kinakatakutan dito na um, baka mag-isa ko, no? Um, itaguyod. For a few numbers of you, baka natatakot na meron ng challenges kayo ni person. Meron na kayong mga hindi pinagkakasunduan. And one of your fear is baka kasi ako na lang sa mga susunod na panahon ang magtaguyod, no, nitong ah, binuo naming family, no? It could be binuo niyong pamilya. Kung ito'y anak or baka ito'y kotse, bahay, no? Baka ako na lang ang mag-isang um, magtataguyod nito. For a few numbers of you, baka naman din yung ibang partner ninyo is may karamdaman. Again, this is a general reading. Hindi po to para sa lahat, ha? So, kung ano lang ang nagre-resonate. It could be a responsibility that you're afraid of, not really afraid of harapin. Nakakatakot lang ba kasi ako lang mag-isa, no? Hindi ako natatakot na hindi ko kakayanin. Alam kong kakayanin ko, pero iba pa rin talaga, no, kung merong um, kasama or katulong gawin ito. Especially when it comes to sabihin nating bahay or um, gamit, no? Sasakyan. Kung meron ng mga challenges, do you think kaya ko pang tumira sa bahay na um, binuo namin and then hindi ko na siya kasama, no? Um, and I feel like medyo nakakatakot yung part na yon dahil baka either hindi pa tapos or hindi ko pa tapos bayaran, baka mamaya ibenta ko na. Siyempre, all parang saksi yung mga ah, ang tawag dito, poste, no? Or bawat sulok ng bahay na yon. And every time na makikita ko yung lugar, um, of course, there will be memories that we shared na parang hindi ko agad-agad, no, maitatapon or maipagsasawalang bahala. So, with that being said, parang medyo yun nga, nakakakaba, no? I am afraid of the unknown. With the Three of Pentacles, the World card, and the Hermit. So parang sinasabi natin dito, um, actually medyo nagkakaroon tayo ng anxiety kasi masyado nating iniisip ang future, no? We're thinking beyond, no? the times. Kasi, oo nga naman, um, ang dami ng naglalaro sa isip natin. Anong gagawin ko kapag ito yung nangyari? So, I must have a plan A, B, C. Laki ng ta natin yung alphabet. And yun lang talaga din ang nararapat. Lalo na, um, of course, meron akong share, no? Meron akong investment dyan. It could also be a business, no? So pinag-iisipan mong mabuti kung anong gagawin mong next move with the world card. For a few numbers of you, baka you might be seeking for, uh, kind of law or lawyer, no? Seeking for anong guidance yon, legal guidance, no? With the Three of Pentacles clarified by the Nine of Pentacles and the Star. I feel like chances are most of the investments, the efforts, the money, um, the time, sa'yo galing, 'no? Um, kung meron mang hindi sa panunumbat, 'di ba? Kung meron mang, inambag, mas malaki ang chance na ikaw, 'no, or sa'yo nanggagaling itong, um, ginagamit dito or ginamit dito sa, bagay na ito. So with the High Priestess and the Page of Cups, so ang nakikita natin, High Priestess kasi medyo binabalanse talaga natin. I think that we are seeking something, 'no, um, or browsing something sa internet, to help us through with our decision makings in here. And that's probably why you are here, no? Watching the tarot reading, for guidance. With the Page of Cups, I feel like you are parang dito ka ngayon nahuhumaling, no? Hmm, talaga ba? Sa panonood ng tarot reading, let me know sa comment section. Um, with the Tower, the Five of Cups, and the Eight of Pentacles, well, that makes sense. Nakakahinayang nga naman kung mawawala yung mga pinagpaguran natin. The Four of Cups kasi nandito yung sinasabi natin na nakakapanghinayang. Yung Four of Cups is more of, um, dapat pala pinag-isipan ko mabuti, no? Nung inoffer sa akin 'to, dapat pala, doon ko ginamit yung time, energy, and effort para, isaalang-alang ko, what if pala 'pag merong mga ganitong sitwasyon, ano nang gagawin ko, ano nang gagawin namin, 'no? With the Tower, yung ayaw mo kasing sa isang iglap mawawala lang, sa isang iglap ganito lang, 'no? With the Tower clarified by the Two of Swords and the Knight of Cups. Yeah, kung hangga't maaari parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, "Can you break it to me gently?" 'No? Kung gagawin ito, kung tatanggalin ito, baka puwedeng dahan-dahan naman, huwag akong bibiglain. Kung aalis ka, gano'n din naman, 'no, huwag mo akong bibiglain. Let me prepare, 'no? Kasi parang hindi mo kakayanin yung mga bagay-bagay ng, um, yung biglaan, 'no? Um, wow, ayokong pumunta do'n. For sure meron ditong nanonood na parang feeling mo, ayun na yun. Ayokong pumunta do'n, ha, because napi-pick up niyo yung gusto kong sabihin. Um, I don't predict, uh, and I don't want, 'no? Um, I can, but I must have a restriction for myself, 'no? Um, I don't want yung part ng buhay na yun, okey? With the Devil card and the King of Pentacles. So, ang nakikita natin dito, para kasing kakailanganin natin ng malaki-laking pera, no, to sustain on that. But with the devil card in here, I feel like medyo either gigipitin kayo or may manggigipit sa inyo. Naku, parang dumadagdag, no? Dumadagdag yung nagiging issues dito. The devil card, let's clarify on that with the Six of Swords and the Hierophant. So, kung ito naman ay sabihin natin, paghahatian ninyo, no, itong inyong properties. I feel like at first, medyo gigipitin ka, pero I feel like you're going to surpass the challenge, the Hierophant in here. That's probably why you need to ask for legal help. And whatever this person is, sabihin natin yung iyong lawyer, no? I feel like matutulungan kang mabuti. Yun nga lang, may extrang gastos dito. Pero you're going to surpass the challenges. Napakalaking abala, no, nitong nangyayari sa inyo, napakalaking abala nitong pag-aaway na ito, napakalaking abala ng na-experience mo ngayon, no? So, kung nakaka-resonate kayo dito sa reading na ito, I want you to know na sa description box po ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, Sagittarius, a Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Scorpio, Aquarius. I am seeing Cancer. Yeah, Virgo is dominant. Aquarius, yeah, paulit-ulit lang siya. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings.
Yelling the stars align.